Stop fighting with your tools for a second. Think about the last time you tried to get an AI to make the same person twice. It is usually a nightmare. You get one perfect shot. Then you try to change the background. Suddenly, the face is completely different. It feels like you are trying to catch smoke with your bare hands. This is exactly where the new Luma Uni system is trying to plant its flag. It wants to be the tool that actually listens to your specific instructions. It is not just giving you a lucky guess. Most of the generators we have used over the last few years are basically vibe machines. You give them a hint. They give you a pretty picture. But you have very little control over the actual details. This new approach is much more intentional. It feels like working with a professional who understands positioning. It understands lighting rules. If you tell it to place an object in a specific spot, it stays there. It does not wander around the frame. It does not move just because the AI thought it looked better somewhere else. This level of consistency is a game changer. It is vital for anyone trying to tell a story. Think about a storyboard. Think about a brand campaign. You cannot have your main character changing their bone structure every 3 seconds. People who have been testing this out are noticing that the faces stay stable. The identity does not drift into some weird territory as soon as you change the scene. That is a massive hurdle that we are finally starting to clear. Even the small things are getting better. Look at the way it handles text. We are all tired of seeing garbled nonsense on generated signs. We hate those messy posters. This tool actually puts legible words where they belong. It makes the whole thing feel like a finished product. It is no longer just a rough draft. However, you should know that this is not a magic wand. It is not for people who do not know what they want. If you like to type in one word and see something amazing, you might be disappointed. It does not just hand you beauty on a silver platter. It expects you to describe exactly what you want. It is more of a precision instrument than a toy. If you compare it to something like the big names in the industry, the difference is clear. Those older tools are still the champions of instant visuals. They are stunning, they are fun, and they are fast. But the Uni system is where you go when you need to do serious work. It is for the person who needs a coherent vision across multiple steps. It is still early days though. We are seeing a lot of polished examples from the company. We see them from the first wave of users. We do not yet know how it will hold up under pressure. It has not been fully tested in the wild. It is promising. It feels like a glimpse into a professional future. It is not the undisputed king yet, but it is the one to watch if you are tired of tools having a mind of their own. You want a tool that follows the blueprint. You want something that treats your instructions like a set of rules. It should not be a suggestion. That shift in perspective is what makes this moment so interesting for creators. You finally get real control over your digital art. It is about making the machine understand the human. It is about taking the guesswork out of the creative process. If you want results that stay true to your vision, this is for you. You want something that actually sticks to the plan,